For exam video 7, I will be doing the first prompt, which is phylogenetic trees. For this phylogenetic tree example, I will be using CARs as the OTUs. OTU is short for Operational Taxonomic Units, and they are operational definitions in order to establish units to compare similarities and differences with other closely related units. Conceptually, defining an OTU is solely to establish groups for comparison. The scale of these units can be at any taxonomic level. In this case, I have grouped together cars to compare and contrast their shapes. This phylogenetic tree is a rooted tree, meaning that we assume that we know the distance between the OTUs, and we know the order of divergence by comparing the OTUs to an outgroup. The outgroup is also an OTU that is related to the other ones, but not related closely enough to be able to be included in the in-group. This phylogenetic tree involves cladogenesis. Anagenesis involves a directional linear evolution taking place within a single lineage, and the result of anagenesis is the extinction of the parent species. However, cladogenesis is the branching of a lineage and does not involve the extinction of the parent species. Internal nodes are nodes that branch into two child nodes, compared to external nodes that do not branch into two. So the first branch of this tree is grouping together short cars. The second is grouping together longer cars. I've made the two cars on the right more closely related because the limousine on the left is notably different in its length. And the third branch is grouping together bulkier cars, and I've made the pickup truck on the right less related to the two on the left because it has that open space at the end. So the outgroup of this phylogenetic tree is the older Cadillac on the very left. It's still a related OTU, however it has that completely open space because it's a convertible at the driver's seat, making the shape of the car dissimilar enough to be an outgroup. Judging just from my parents, the most recent common ancestor would probably be a medium-sized, non-bulky-ish car with a closed top.